Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nisa. I'm 10 years old. I study at SK Kemeda. My school code is JBA 7048. During my free time, I always go to the library. One of my favorite books is Captain Tenggang, translated by Mimi Samuel. Tenggang lived with his family on an island. They were very poor. Tenggang loved to hunt leaf monkeys. The leaf monkeys destroyed his mother's plants. While Tenggang hunting a leaf monkey apart, the leaf monkey pounced on Tenggang. Tenggang screamed for help. Tenggang's screams were heard by a sailor. He was relaxing by the beach. Come follow me to the ship, invited the sailor. They went towards a ship. The ship captain and the sailor took good care of Tenggang. Tenggang became the ship captain's adopted son. Tenggang was happy. His adopted father took good care for him. The captain taught Tenggang how to sail the ship. You will be a good sailor, said the captain. A few years later, the captain gave the ship to Tenggang. Tenggang became the captain. Tenggang was a smart merchant. He became a rich. Tenggang was a brave captain. He always found the pirates who tried to stop his ship. The pirates did not dare to stop Tenggang's ship. Tenggang married a princess. He had already forgotten her parents. Tenggang would always take his wife sailing. They would sail from one country to another country. One day, there was a storm. Tenggang ordered his sailor to find an island. The sailor tried their best to save the ship from sinking. The storm brought Tenggang to his village. The villagers saw Tenggang on the ship. The villagers returned. They told Tenggang's parents that Tenggang had returned. Tenggang's parents sat on a small boat to a ship. I cannot wait to see Tenggang, said Tenggang's mother. Tenggang was ashamed to see his poor parents. Get off my ship, screamed Tenggang. Tenggang's parents could not believe their son would be so disloyal. How could you do this to us? Cried Tenggang's mother. Tenggang's mother prayed to God. Suddenly, there was lightning. Slowly, Tenggang's body turned to stone. Tenggang, the disloyal son, sat together with shit. Moral of the story is don't ever hurt our parents' feelings. I hope all of you will enjoy my book review. We meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.